That's amazing. Woo!
That's cool. Here we have the new Rove Go 5.
Oh,
from
Rove
Bugani.
Go. What are you doing, man?
Oh, I was just doing a review on this cool speaker that we've just been sent.
Oh, right. So this is the Bugani Rove Go 5, isn't it?
Yeah.
So what do you know about this Rove Go 5 then?
So it comes with Bluetooth 6.0, micro SD card, IP67, 24-hour playtime, phone charging, multi-device pairing. The main competitors are JBL Go 4 and Soundcore Select 4 Go.
All right, that's impressive actually. So Bluetooth 6.0, did you know that Sony XM6 latest earbuds are still stuck with Bluetooth 5.3?
Really? That's
so that
impressive.
means this must be really good
Yeah,
product. So that's quite impressive. So now Sid, let's get on with the unboxing and try out a few tests that we have in mind, shall we? So
Cool.
here it goes.
Okay, so open it up. Nicely packed. So it's a nice sort of fabric feel. Feet on the bottom here, which is quite good. Other feet here for when it's on the table or somewhere else so it doesn't vibrate. Good for the sound. Carry strap, very useful. Bluetooth, minus, plus, play, and something else here, which I'm not sure what it is yet, but I'm sure we'll find out. So here we've got the on and off button here, power button. And then if you open this up, which feels like it's good for keeping out of the rain as well, we've got the SD card and the power supply, which is also for charging your phone as well. Right, so let's see what we've got here. The USB charging cable, USB-C to USB-A. Welcome card here with the QR code. Excellent. So that's going to be useful for later. And the user manual. Lovely. So as you can see in the user manual, number 6 is the Bluetooth broadcast down here. So that is what we have here.
Okay, so moment of truth, let's actually turn it on, shall we, Bill?
Okay. Wow, that sounds impressive.
What was that? Turn it off? Do it again. That's cool. So as you can see, it's on the white light, which means it's connected to a Bluetooth, but you can actually use your phone. Let's plug it in. Ah, see? The red light, which means we're understanding this as the phone, if you need it urgently, can charge the actual speaker as well. Okay, so the moment of truth, we got all this Bluetooth connected up. So why don't you start playing it?
Okay, here we go.
Yeah. What do you think?
So far, so good.
Can you increase
I can feel it vibrating. So if I put it down like that,
Yeah,
you can see why you've got these feet,
that's cool.
which is really cool.
Like that's exactly what you said earlier on.
Yeah.
Why don't you maximize the volume then? Oh, so that's a reminder of a maximum volume. So why don't we actually try the speech-based sort of video clip to show how crisp the voice is. Okay. Maximum volume. Cool, man.
Hey, what's this?
Right, so this is a very cool bone conducting sports headphone called PuraFlow from a company called Majora, yeah? Oh. So this comes with a maglev base and real-time heart guided technology, a personalized AI fitness insight, so it's going to give you a voice guiding. That's very sharp. I mean, cool. These are what, like 30, 40 US dollars? Yeah. 32 gigabytes and it doesn't feel like that, obviously. Not that I have the full collection of it. Right, so this Bluetooth broadcast mode button, what it is that if you actually get more of these units, you can use it, synchronize it with 4 or 5. It sounds like maybe it could go up to 100 of them. But that sounds quite interesting idea, but you can use it as a surrounding sound system as well, which is very interesting. In fact, it's a bit of a shame that we only have one. Be nice to have 2 or 3 or 4 of them at least so we could test it out, but we got an alternative solution for you. Okay, so we are actually now connected to the Ruroc MK3 speaker, which is very, very good quality, by the way, one of my favorites. And the Gravastar speaker here, and then the Bugani, the one that we're reviewing now. So they're simultaneously connected. So let's actually try the sound all together. This is going to be so exciting. So here it goes. Woo! Okay, a bit of an increase of volume here. Right, more volume here. Maximum here. What do you think?
Very good. The quality of the sound is excellent. I think you can hear this one slightly quicker, being 6.0, but it's very cool.
Please note this is done by the audio repeater, synchronously connected. All these 3 different sounds together. So this speaker is IP67, yeah? So can you explain to me what that means?
Yeah, it means it can safely handle a brief dip in water.
Okay, so we're gonna dip it into this bowl of water to see whether this still works.
Moment of truth.
Oh, that's cool, look at that. No, the water is vibrating through. Whoa. It's like Coca-Cola. That's amazing. Woo!
That's cool.
So it's still working, isn't it?
Yeah, amazing.
Wow, that's amazing.
I feel like I want to dry it off.
Yeah, well, we have to dry it off, but that's really impressive.
That's impressive.
So what do you think about this Bugani Rove Go 5 overall then?
I think it's a great little product. Good size, good quality sound.
Yeah.
Easy to use with these, but just a few buttons here, and great quality.
Actually, so it's good that we actually have the micro SD card slot as well, so you could actually put it separately. Don't necessarily need to be synchronized your phone and so on. And I have to say, it's very affordable. Yet the sound quality with the Bluetooth connection of 6.0 is really impressive indeed. And I just can't stop thinking about that image of you placing a card on top of it where it was vibrating. Also with the water test as well, it was all showing all that Coca-Cola sort of bubbly effect, showing how good the speaker is and so on. So I have to say, we'll definitely recommend this one. And yeah, I mean, the sharp quality of the sound and also the bass was really impressive. So I can imagine someone wearing this on the backpack and really enjoying it. In fact, I heard you're going to Italy or something.
Yeah, I'm going on a fishing trip, so I think I'll take that with me.
Oh, no,
I think I'll take that.
Well, yeah.